warm welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 5, where the local time is just approaching 1:45 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off, and when it is safe to do so, please take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out, causing injury. You may now make and receive calls, as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices, and please check that you have all personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. If your journey ends here at Heathrow, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals, and if you are connecting onto another flight from Heathrow today, please check the information screens for your departing gate number. If this is not yet displayed, please follow the purple signs for flight connections. If you require any assistance at all here at Heathrow, please just speak to our colleagues on the ground who will be happy to help. And for those customers who have ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated until the aisle around you is clear and our crew will be on hand to help. On behalf of us all at British Airways and on board today, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and a very good afternoon.